In this video, I'm going to show you how we add a label like this, which is commonly used for bigger brands as a risk reversal. What that is just means at the very end, right before someone buys, this is why we always have it underneath the CTA or call to action. We just want to guarantee something. So it's called risk reversal because we just want to take away a little bit of the risk that comes with purchasing or making a product purchase decision. How to do this? It's actually fairly easy. I wrote some code you can just use. So I'm just going to show you this example. This is how Gleeman used it. They just say, love your results or get your money back. This is pretty much just reminding that there is a refund. So if you don't like it, you can just return the product. Or we can also look at DuraDry. They're saying, we've got you 60-day hassle-free returns. So many brands are using that. This is the perfect place to do that. And if you want to build something similar, then all you have to do, and I'm going to show you exactly, I'm going to open up my store here. And we want to do the exact same layout. I just want to, underneath the add to cart, I want to add this. And all we have to do here is we go under the buy buttons and I hover. So I get the block preview, I click add block and I search for custom liquid. There it is. This is where we enter a code. And now for the code underneath this video, I added a link. You can just click and it's going to bring you to this page. And all this page has is the image of it, but most importantly, the code. And if you don't want to rewatch the video, also the instructions how to install it. But all you have to do is click copy here. This is going to copy the code. I switch back, go to the liquid code of the section that we just added, hit paste. And you should see it pop up here, love your results or get your money back. And if you say, you know what, this is not the message I want to run, then you can see in here, I left some space so it's easier to find and you can technically just change this to anything. For example, 20% discount applied automatically, and it will just update the text, but it's going to look great here. And also we added some extra design for mobile. It's also looking great on mobile. So this is pretty much stealing the design from Gleeman. This is all you have to do. This is how you edit it. And if you like these short videos like these and you're not in our newsletter yet, we send a newsletter every day where we teach you Shopify in 5 minutes or less. This is one of these videos. So click the button below. I add the next link, another link for the newsletter. It's free. And you'll see me again in there. Talk soon.